The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 3 from verse 15 to verse 22. Them time there, people did really look for the one where God has sent to save them. And I wonder in their mind if John are the Christ. So him said to them, me baptize you in a water, but somebody way more important than me I come, and me not even good enough to pull the trap pan his slippers. Him me baptize you in the Holy Spirit and fire. Him have him fork in him hand ready to rake up the floor which part the grain trash out. Him all gather up the grain and put it in him buttery, but him all burn the trash in a one fire we can't out. And John used holy Patwa word to give good news to the people them. But after John turned up to Herod Antipas, the ruler, and tell him how he wrong he married him brother wife Herodias, and about all the other wickedness them we do, Herod do one worse sin. Him lock up John in a prison. Jesus get baptized. When all of the people them did I get baptized, Jesus come to get baptized too. When him did I get baptized and I pray, heaven open up. And the Holy Spirit come down upon Jesus in the shape of one dove. And one voice from heaven say, you are me one dege boy pitney. Me love you and you make my heart glad. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.